Welcome to Moon On. My name is Maram Nasr, an international BIM architect, the Global Partnership Manager of Moon On. Moon On, where we revolutionize the architectural and the manufacturing industries. Moon Platform provides detailed products in 11 categories. This comprehensive approach provides a useful and a rich library for users. Users can download these 3D models in various formats, which guarantee them an easy access from any architectural or 3D modeling program. This flexibility supports creativity and enhances the design process. Our platform enables users to generate BOQ lists and detailed information in Excel and PDF formats, simplifying project management, project planning, and cost analyzing. The request update allows the user to request an update from the manufacturers for any product. Moon Platform is designed to optimize information management, making it easier to track the product's development and access historical data. We provide all the tools necessary for successful project execution, aiming for excellency in every project.